We bought a car.
She just got her new car, you guys.
Ready? Cut your load from in a Netherlands. Where the rubber stink like a
Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Of course, it's a girl Chesouye. If you didn't know, now you know. Guys, from the title down below, you already know what we're doing. We bought a car. We're still in the process, but the only thing, it's basically done. It's a done deal. The only thing that I have left, I'm sorry I didn't take you guys before. This has been a very stressful process, but today we're on our way to go get the insurance and the registration done, and that would be the last couple steps until I get that car. Okay. I've seen the car. I've been there before. Today makes 1 month since I've started the process or whatever. Mommy is here with me. Mommy is taking me. We're going together. So let's see how it goes. I'm hoping the last, because it's been a very stressful process, I'm hoping that the last couple steps are very like easy going and not that stressful, and I just get everything done today because I have to take off work and I don't have another day. It's also almost the holidays, so yeah, there's that as well. So yeah guys, I'm taking y'all along. I don't know if the settings are working. I was trying to fix the settings on the camera. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, because that's where I am when I'm not on YouTube, at the Chesouye. And yeah, I'm gonna take you guys. So guys, I'm leaving ICWI. That's an epic fail because they were way too expensive. We're gonna try to go to Advantage General and see if it's a better fit, and hopefully be done with the insurance process. And yeah, so when I get there, well, honestly guys, this vlog is gonna be a lot of me and no one else, because I really don't like to put the camera in people's faces, and I'm dealing with something very sensitive, very personal, a lot of information, and yeah, so we're not gonna do that. Mommy's here. Mommy, say hi. Hi. So I'm hungry. So yeah, it's just that's just one name for. Yeah guys, so outside the heat, it's not yet summer, it's March, and the heat is crazy. It's crazy. It is so hot, so hot.
Let me go exit. Let me follow behind this man from.
Which part to exit? Such lady enough for part. I want a mom. She says she can't park this up on the yellow line. I open my start drive, then I call my moms, guys, cause I feel like I'm gonna be bullied.
Mom's there now when you're driving. When you?
I feel like I'm gonna be bullied on that road, because I'm not yet comfortable on the road. I've been trying to like get comfortable, drive to work and so, but I'm not.
Turn off the AC.
I'm not fully comfortable on the road, and that's okay because driving is practice, and I'm sure that with practice and I'll get better.
Where am I going?
Yeah, you know, Sierra New Kingston. Yeah, I'm not 100% confident on the road. I drive slow and you know, make people pass me and everything, but you know, with time and practice I'll be okay. So guys, guys, I'll catch up with you guys, update you guys after I leave Advantage General or when I get, I don't know, but I'll see you guys. Guys, it's now 2:26 in the afternoon. I got the insurance sorted because I just realized that I haven't been back since then, but I did get the insurance sorted out. Right now the registration is being done, getting the license plate and all that. Yes, I'm waiting on that. I just got back from eating, guys. I never remember Ficarno. I'm just too focused on eating. Me hungry, to be honest. So me to get island grill, mommy to get some vegetarian, some, I don't know,
Some yak.
yeah, some yak. Accurate. So now we're back at the dealership. Gonna wait for the car to be registered at the tax office. Guys, we know the tax offices in Jamaica are just crazy, and with the Portmore, so you know Portmore tax office is even crazier. So let's see how long this is gonna take. I do have to take all these documents back to Kingston to the bank so that I can finish the processing and all of that, and hopefully we can get a car. I don't think it's gonna be today, probably tomorrow, probably on Saturday. But yeah, I'm just keeping you guys updated. So now we wait on the registration. Guys, the car is not here. I know I wanted to show you guys the car, but it's not here. I did come and look at it before now, but right now it's being serviced, detailed, washed, all of that, so that I can get it in a pretty state, you know. But it's not here. But there are other cars, so I probably just do a little montage, you know, a little montage of the cars that they have, like what I can see, because I'm going inside. It's hot as hell outside. Like it's so hot, the sun is so hot. We last bow towards a different time. We just lost a while ago, and yeah, mom over there says scroll upon what's that, Instagram. Yeah guys, but this is us. Yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next clip. Bye.
Today we are the weatherman. A boy shoulda drop, but the better jam. Long time we no kill a man. And we circle them ends like the little man. Set a bomb, make a jam, top train far. So almost catch a man. That's the echo when the grabber. Schemers like Shabba motherfucker. Shot fire, every man a drop flat. Everybody drop, every man a knock. Feel like the rims.
Hi guys, it is hours later. I'm back home. Guys, I really couldn't come back. Like, why did nobody told me or tell me? Why did nobody tell me that buying a car is not only expensive, even if you go to the bank, but it's so tedious, it's so draining, it takes us out of you, it is so much work, so much stress. Why nobody never tell me that? Y'all fake for that. But hold on, let me tell you. So guys, don't mind my bonnet. I did get to sort out everything today, so I now have my insurance, the car is fit, I have the certificate of fitness, I have the certificate of registration, I got my license plate, I got everything. Okay child, it's real. Yeah, so yeah, but I left my license at the dealership. Yeah, it was that kind of day. So, and it's all the way in another parish. Good thing is I'm not expecting to be driving, so yeah. But yeah guys, I'm so elated that this process is over. So today when I went to the under the insurance, I had initially chosen a company based on the quote that I got. When I went there, they said that my license was young, because I got my driver's license this month. I don't remember if I told you guys, but yeah, I got my driver's license and a car. Well, it looks like the car is not gonna come until next week, which will be a whole other month. But yeah, basically in the same month I got my driver's license and my car, basically. Yeah, so my driver's license is young. It's not even a month old. So there was that. And also it's an SUV. Yeah, so my insurance was gonna be high as hell. And I actually met a nice lady at that insurance company, and I remember that I got a quote from another company that my mom is using for her car. And so we had spoken to them, worked out something, and it was actually very manageable for me, very realistic, very nice. Like, it's such a deal. And so I went to that company. When I went there, I don't know what the mix-up was, but basically I paid in someone else's policy number, so my money went to someone else. Not a fault of mine. I don't know how that happened, because the cashier asked me to swipe my card. She told me the cost. She knew my name. I told her my name, everything. I was not in the wrong, but somehow my money ended up somewhere else, and I had to wait on that, and that held up some time, and it finally got sorted. Everything was good. I went by the dealership, smooth sailing. They went to the tax office for me, got my license plate, signed my documents by the dealership, came back into Kingston. Guys, the loan officer that I'm using, because I had to take a loan for my car, I had to take a car loan. She is so unprofessional sometimes, so unreliable. You call, she doesn't answer. But I'm just glad that it's the last leg, so there's nothing really to worry about. So when I called her, she knew I was coming today, by the way. She knew in the morning. I called her and I said, hey, I'm by the insurance place. Hey, you can take the processing fee from my savings account. Hey, I'm going by the tax office now. Hey, I'm coming back to Kingston, so you can expect me. I kept her updated, like, all the time, so it really shouldn't have happened. But I called her because I was coming from Portmore, and I called her when I was coming off the toll, and I'm like, hey, I'm heading back into Kingston. I'm gonna pass by NCB because I have to pass NCB to go home. I'm like, hey, I'm gonna pass NCB, so if you'd like me to just drop them off so we can get the processing going, because at this point the only thing that needs to happen is that hold on guys, the only thing that needs to happen is that they need to pay over the money to the dealership, and I need to pick up my car. Yeah, so when I got to the bank, she wasn't there. She didn't answer my calls, and I came home, so she had to come by my house, pick it up, take pictures of my documents, everything. So I had asked her, when does she think I'll be able to pick up my car? And she had said to me that since it's a holiday, tomorrow's Thursday, the bank is already closed, so all the processing would be done tomorrow, which is the Thursday, and then Friday is a holiday, Monday is a holiday. I wouldn't get the car till Tuesday, because they don't open on Saturdays, they don't work on Saturdays, so I won't get the car for almost a week from now, because it's winter right now. So almost a week from now is when I get my car, according to her, which I mean, it's a bummer, because you know I paid everything and I did everything right, but she said it was because of the holiday. There's nothing I could do differently, it's just the timing of everything. But I've had such an experience. It has literally been crazy. Like, there's been times when I'm like, oh no, I don't want to do this, I'm just gonna give up, I can't bother. Like, there's been times where I had to cry it out, scream it out. It has been rough. Like, I did not know the process of getting a car was like this. Like, I did not know, I did not expect it to be this stressful. It was an extremely stressful process, I must say that. Guys, it felt like no matter how much money I had saved up, it wasn't enough, because the expenses because I went the loan road. So I'm like, okay, fine, it's gonna be a breeze because the bank is gonna take care of this and they're gonna take care of that, and the only thing I'll have to take care of is this and is that. But my thing is, I'm a new driver, new license, and of course, we know people always say get a license, let it grow, but not everybody can be as fortunate, especially with this new law with the 6 months waiting. Although I didn't have to wait 6 months because I already had my learners, and you know, life happens, and I'm not regretful about my process and my journey, because this is the way that God wanted it to work out. And that's what I keep telling myself, like, this is the way that God wants it to work out. And so I'm not worried, I'm not stressed. I mean, yeah, I was, but I'm just extremely thankful and grateful to God, because I owe God everything for this. I started exactly 1 month ago. I started on February 27. Right now it's March 27 when I'm recording this video. I started on February 27. When I initially went to the bank, I had wanted a 2024 Toyota Raize. I was not able to get that car. It was not in the country. They didn't have any in stock. It was taking a while, and honestly guys, I did not want to wait. And so I saw a 2020 Toyota Raize. It was newly imported, very, very low mileage. You could see that no one else has driven this car, but it has been to like serviced and stuff, because that's how low the mileage was. We viewed it. It was literally new, plastic still inside and stuff like that. Of course, there's not gonna be plastic when I pick it up because it was detailed and stuff. It had a lot of dust. It's been here a little while and stuff, but I'm extremely pleased with the car. If you know me, you know I've wanted a Toyota Raize since last year. My goals for last year were actually to get my learners, get my driver's license, and get a car. Those are my only 3 goals. I never achieved any of them, and I was so sad the beginning of this year, and the only 2 goals that I wrote down for this year was to get my learners and get my license. Guys, nobody gonna sing to the people them say I do illegal things. Like I said, I did have a learners in 2020, no, like 2020, 2019 to 2020, right? And that learners expired, but because I thought I had to wait the 6 months, I just been putting it off. I called the tax office and I told them my situation, told them that I did have my learners before, I want to renew it. They told me I will have to do the test. I told them no problem, I'll do the test. They said I wouldn't have to wait the 6 months, but it's up to the discretion of the depot. When I went to the depot, they didn't require me to wait the 6 months. I was already driving, I was already learning to drive, already had my learners, and so I didn't have to wait the 6 months because I already had a learners, right? Yeah, and those are the only 2 goals I wrote down. And I was saying to myself the other day, like, I wrote down 2 goals, and those 2 goals were achieved by March of 2024. We're in March, and those 2 goals were achieved by March. I even went a step further and I got a car, even though it was not, because I did not think it was possible for me, but God knew his plan for me, and he knew that it was possible for me, and that is just amazing. Guys, when I picked the car, I got the quotes and I got the documents and I submitted them to the bank. I submitted by faith. I know I would get the loan because, you know, I've been working over a year. I'm very stable financially. I pay my bills on time. I don't have any debt. This will be my first loan. I have good credit. I know it would be easy for me to get a loan. I didn't have any problems in that regard, and got approved. I got approved 2 days after I got my license. I got approved for the loan, and yeah, but my issues are with the rep, the loan officer. She is just very unprofessional sometimes. I even had a situation where last week actually I almost tell them I don't want a car. Well, I did tell them I don't want a car, you can have the loan, I just want my money back. Like, that's necessarily what I told them, because it was just so crazy, the things that were happening. They gave me a high interest rate that I shouldn't have got, then they raised that interest rate, so 2 interest rate that I shouldn't have got, and I was supposed to, or what they had said that I am supposed to pay, I shouldn't have been paying, because I should have been, basically my dealership has a partnership with the bank where their customers get a lower interest rate, and so I should have gotten that interest rate, but I didn't, and that set me back a little bit. So I had to get that sorted out, making sure that I get value for my money and stuff. But this is such a big girl purchase. I feel like such a big girl. This is not my first big girl purchase, because I would say my bedroom set would be my first big girl purchase, because that cost me something, child. That cost me something. And then I did my life insurance last year, which, you know guys, like, I've been making a lot of moves. It's been so good. Life has been so good. Life is just very amazing, guys. I just want to cry. Yeah, but I'm a car owner. I cannot wait until you guys see my car. I can't wait to decorate my car for you guys. I'm just so thankful for all the people in my life that keep pouring into me, and just, life is just so amazing. But guys, if you are looking to buy a car, just save up some money. Save up some money, because I had some money saved up, and guys, I did not know it was gonna be so expensive. I put a deposit down on the car. The insurance is expensive. The registration wasn't bad, but it is an SUV, so it is a little bit higher, but it was so expensive. It was an expensive process. But there'll be a lot of car videos coming. I'm gonna do like a video. If you guys want to see that, you can just comment down below. I want to do a video on what it's like buying a car through the bank with a loan and all of that. I think that was best for me. I know a lot of persons don't believe in loan. That's okay, that's fine. We all should just do what works for us and what is best for us, and that's what's best for me. And so that's the route I took. So as you heard me say, it's a 2020 Toyota Raize. It is blue, and that's all I'm gonna be telling you. I'm going to be showing you the car. Of course, you're gonna get a car tour, decoration videos, you're gonna see me on the road, you're gonna see me talking to you in the car, everything. I am still not comfortable on the road, like I told you guys in the previous video, but of course with practice everything will come, and so I cannot wait to start practicing and driving and being on the road. And yeah, you guys, I'm gonna bring you guys on my journey, of course, like I always do. And of course this video, as you can see, new intro, new everything. It's just me starting over. I'm so excited to be creating content for you guys. I am just feeling so amazing, so blessed, so grateful, so thankful for small mercies like being able to afford a car. I'm only 22 years old, of course, and I just feel like things are working out for me, and everything happens with time. And last year just wasn't my time, but this year is, and for that I'm just very elated. I waited my turn, I stayed in my lane, I did not stretch my hand where it couldn't reach, and I just waited patiently until it was my turn. And now that it is my turn, I'm just so happy. So I just feel so amazing, honestly guys. My Amazon cart though, for that car decoration video, questionable. But yeah guys, so the next time you see me, I should be going for the car, on my way, getting dressed, something like that, yeah, for the car. But hey, so happy guys. I'm gonna see you in the next clip, alright? Yeah, so we're on our way to, well, yeah, to pick up the vehicle. I'm waiting on engineers, so whenever we get there, I'll pick up at the camera. 5 minutes away, so shouldn't be too long. Yeah.
I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me. But coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie.
Hi guys, it's Xoxo. Shishi just got her new car, you guys. It's so neat and cool. It's blue, it's turquoise, it's so fun. It's like I just want to jump in it and just drive it up this one and done this one.
And didn't I tell you you're not going in my car?
But I wanted to drive mommy's car and she said no. When Shishi's car comes, I'll drive it everywhere I want.
Really?
Yes.
You're too,
cool.
nah, you're too messy. On the TV. Alright guys, so I'm finally back home. Kinda tired, kinda hungry. Whenever I can insert a picture, but I never get to do much footage there because it was just the sun was too bright and it was too dark. None of my pictures came out good, so you know them I forgot to take over one next time. But I'll do my best. So I'll do a little car tour and then I'm gonna do a test drive. Guys, I know I don't comfortable on the road yet, but I'm gonna do a little thing on the road until I get comfortable and so. But you know, I have my key or whatever. Yeah, so enough talking, but let's go do the video. As I say, literally just reach home, like literally. Guys, wish me to catch the reaction on camera, but I did not because I did not have the camera running.
I can do that one more time. And it's
because you're fake. That's why you can do it one more time, because you're fake.
no, guys, don't listen. OMG! You see, guys, I was so excited.
That's exactly how she was behaving. But I'm in a mommy parking spot, so there's also that we need to figure out. Which, I mean, mommy can park behind me because normally I leave out after her and I come from work before her, so I don't know, but that's what we're gonna be doing. Mommy's not here, she did not come with me. We were texting and she said, you know, she gets a little emotional because she can't believe her firstborn by a car and she was not able to be there because, you know, mommy have to work. I took the day off, so I didn't have to work, but of course it will be here when mommy gets here. But I'm back. Of course there's gonna be uploads after this one. There's gonna be a car decorating video whenever I get those stuff because I don't have them. Alright guys, it's a day later and of course I just came from work. Guys, I love the car so much. I'm just so happy. I just came, I drove to work today and I drove back home and it is just amazing. It's exactly what I wanted. I've wanted this car for over a year and I'm so glad that I finally have it. But guys, thank you so much for watching. You will definitely be seeing more videos in the car, off the car, around the car, everything, so you guys can stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching. It is appreciated. Make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Chesouye, and you know where to find me next time. Same place, most definitely the same kind of vibes. All right, bye.